For many years, people have been believing that willpower and calorie control decide our weight gain and loss. But the latest research on obesity may disagree with this statement. Many present-day scientists have proven that leptin, a hormone in our body, controls obesity. Now you must be asking yourself, what on earth is leptin? Don't fret. In this video, we will talk about this hormone and top 7 leptin-boosting foods that you can benefit from. So, watch the video till the end to learn everything about leptin and its implication on obesity and our health. What is leptin? If you are looking to regulate your body weight, leptin is the chemical substance that you should be aware of. This is a hormone that helps our body to maintain our normal weight for a very long time. It is produced by the fat cells or adipose tissues of our body and is released to regulate our weight. Leptin was discovered back in 1994 and research has been conducted on it till the present time. Its name is derived from the Greek word leptos, which means something that is very thin. Leptin is commonly referred to as the starvation hormone or the satiation hormone. Medical experts also called it the fat controller. It truly controls your body fat by giving you the sensation of feeling full, satiated, and regulating your hunger. Function of leptin. Primarily, leptin targets an area in our brain known as the hypothalamus. Leptin tells our brain that when we have the right amounts of fat stored, we should stop eating and expend calories at the normal speed. The major role of leptin is the long-lasting regulation of energy, such as fat stored in our body, the number of calories we consume and burn, etc. Besides fat control, this chemical substance also plays a crucial role in proper immunity, fertility, and brain function. In simple words, leptin keeps us from overeating or starving. Leptin never affects our intake of food from one meal to another or hunger levels. Instead, it acts to change food intake and control energy expenditure over a prolonged period to assist in regulating our weight. Leptin has a more profound effect when you lose weight. As your body fat, adipose tissue, decreases, your leptin levels decrease, which signals your body to think that it's starving. This stimulates intense hunger and appetite and can lead to increased food consumption. Leptin resistance is now believed to be the leading driver of fat gain in human beings. This is a serious health condition in which your body does not respond to this hormone. Obesity is a critical health problem that can lead to life-threatening conditions. We have revealed shocking facts about obesity, which you can learn in another video. Link is in the description below. Low versus high levels of leptin. Leptin is an extremely critical marker for energy storage in our body. This means if our body has extra energy stored in the form of fat, this hormone signals our brain to decrease the appetite and expend additional fat for fuel. As a result, the individual successfully maintains a normal weight. Having very low leptin levels is not commonly found among individuals. Such a condition may develop in delayed puberty and extreme childhood obesity. If leptin levels are below normal, our brain thinks there is zero fat available in the body. This may result in symptoms of out-of-control hunger, causing abnormally high consumption of food. Don't worry, just like many other diseases, researchers have found its cure as well. Leptin injection is an excellent method to counter this health condition. But if someone has excessive amounts of fat, his or her body might produce resistance to leptin, which ultimately leads to dangerously high leptin levels. Test to measure leptin levels. Checking the amount of leptin in your body is of great importance if you want to stay away from obesity and are health conscious. A blood test is taken in order to check the leptin levels in a blood sample taken from the individual's body. The test is not conducted by all laboratories. You have to do some research and find the labs that are offering leptin tests. Furthermore, health professionals do not habitually test for checking leptin levels. Healthcare providers generally ask the patient to undergo leptin tests if they have never-ending hunger and suffer from obesity, or if a young kid is obese. Now let's move on to the 7 best foods that can boost leptin levels and are easily available in the supermarkets near you. Don't forget to add them in your everyday diet or you will regret it. Top 7 leptin-boosting foods. When it comes to increasing leptin in your body, your selection of food is immensely crucial. Today, researchers have found a strong relationship between triglycerides and leptin. Triglycerides are a kind of body fat, also referred to as lipids. Studies concluded that excessive levels of triglycerides apparently affect the way in which leptin hormone functions in our body. A diet that is well designed with the aim to reduce triglycerides can prove beneficial to elevate leptin levels in the body. We will talk about such a diet later on in the video. With that being said, here are the top foods that you can eat frequently to raise leptin levels in your body. 1. Berries. Fruit in its natural form is a remarkable substitute for your favorite sugary treats. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries contain less amounts of sugar than various other fruits. They are capable of helping to decrease triglyceride levels and amp up leptin levels in your body. Number 2. Fish, lean meat, and poultry. Fish is another wonderful option for amplifying leptin and reducing triglycerides. If you want to opt for some other animal proteins, keep your servings normal, somewhere around 4 ounces, and remember to cook them in any healthy oil to enjoy additional health benefits. 3. Whole grains. Ditch the refined loaves and white rice and go for whole grain bread and brown rice, respectively, for increasing leptin levels in your body. If you want to decrease triglyceride levels, try switching to whole grain pasta or a healthier type, such as the ones prepared from chickpeas. 4. Healthy fat. Consuming healthy fat in moderate amounts will also work. Some of the healthy fat sources include olive oil, fats naturally found in animal products such as eggs, dark chocolate, cocoa, dairy, yogurt, and fermented cheese, etc. Flaxseed oil, avocados, high oleic sunflower oil, nuts, fats naturally found in plants, seeds like pumpkin and almonds. Number 5. Salad greens. Always remember to intake your greens to escalate leptin in the body. Power up the toppings and try to eat salad dressing packed with a low number of fats, salt, and sugars. Number 6. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories and rich in nutrients, which can aid in boosting leptin and normalize the triglyceride levels in your body. Number 7. Legumes. Lentils, beans, and peas are awesome ways to obtain fiber and protein that can increase the effect of leptin in the body. Skip the baked beans and various other ones with extra amounts of sugar. Leptin diet. After the discovery of leptin, Byron J. Richards, a renowned health expert, designed a diet named after this hormone, the leptin diet. This diet allows almost all types of food, but according to the provided guidelines, it is advised to stick to organic and fresh foods and avoid processed sugars and chemical additives. Following are a few of the principles of the leptin diet. Number 1. Decrease carbohydrates from the diet. In common diets, there is an excessive amount of carbohydrates included. Our body stores the carbohydrates as fat if they are not burned up. Instead of completely eliminating the carbohydrates, it is best to minimize their intake. An individual needs to practice portion control and eat food at a slow rate, as it takes up to 20 minutes for the brain to alert the body that it's full. Number 2. Stick to 3 meals per day. You need to keep a gap of at least 5 to 6 hours between your meals, without eating any snacks in between. Consuming even a small amount of snacks will result in building up of triglycerides. It will make it super challenging for leptin to reach the receptors of your brain. Number 3. Never eat after dinner. Don't consume meals at least 3 hours before bed to allow leptin to work more efficiently at nighttime. This includes keeping hormones on track and expending fat during sleep. To summarize, leptin is a chemical substance in the body that is made by fat cells. It aids in controlling food consumption by giving signals related to hunger to a part of the brain called the hypothalamus. This process maintains appetite. Leptin stabilizes energy levels by keeping a balance between appetite and hunger. This chemical substance triggers the body to respond by consuming less food when energy levels are high, or stable, and increasing the intake of food when energy levels are low. Individuals having elevated levels of fat have greater circulating levels of leptin in the body. Scientists have proven that having extreme leptin levels can cause leptin resistance, making it hard for you to lose weight. Tons of food out there can be eaten to boost leptin in your body. Some of the mainstream yet delicious options are berries, fish, poultry, and lean meat, whole grains, mushrooms, healthy fat, salad greens, legumes. Following a leptin diet is also an out-of-the-box way to increase leptin levels in your body, although it demands some of your energy and efforts. We hope that you benefited from this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Which is your favorite food to boost leptin? Do you know some other foods that can do the same? Do let us know in the comments below. Want to see more videos like this one? Please subscribe to our channel, Welcome to Wellness, and press that bell icon as well so you never miss another video. We'll see you in another healthy video. Until then, take care.